Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afrizal Pramana. Aspiration I, Direction TKR, which focus at program repair about vehicle light and technique with repair vehicle light. The reason I enter to direction TKR that is because direction TKR one of direction with most many in interest and agree for which will expand expertise in plant automotive. Direction TKR very good for we all, especially I wish go to Japan for work in plant automotive and aspiration. I wish have bus workshop shelf. Thank you for watching.